I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical connections and essentials so the update process runs smoothly. First, plug the HyperX Cloud 3 into its USB sound card, then into a known good USB port. This ensures stable power and data. Once done, make sure your PC recognizes the sound device in sound settings so drivers can communicate. You do this now because an unstable connection during firmware write can brick the device. Continue only after Device Manager shows the headset or USB audio interface present. You next install the required drivers and the official firmware updater so the update can be applied correctly. Run the installer as administrator. This grants the updater permission to write to the headset. Close other audio applications to prevent device conflicts, and keep the headset connected and selected as the default playback device so the tool addresses the right hardware. As you proceed, watch the updater status. Progress bars and logs explain each step and confirm why you should not interrupt power or USB connection now. You begin the flash and watch it closely. Once you click Update, do not disconnect the headset because interruption can corrupt firmware. After the updater completes, verify the new firmware version in device properties so you know the flash succeeded. Reboot your PC to finalize driver bindings, then test microphone and audio output in a call or sound test. If audio behaves oddly, perform a factory reset or rerun the updater. These steps usually recover the device without further trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.